In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear out old unpaid bills in QuickBooks Online. Managing your business finances can sometimes feel overwhelming, especially when you have old or unpaid bills cluttering your records. QuickBooks Online makes it simple to keep your accounts organized and up to date. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to locate and permanently remove any outdated or unnecessary bills from your system. Keeping your financial records clean has never been easier. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you'll find a sign-up link in the description below to get started. Now let's dive right in. To begin, log into your QuickBooks Online account and head over to your dashboard. Once you're there, look at the left-hand panel. This is the navigation menu where you'll find various options to manage your finances. From this menu, click on the Expenses option. This will take you to the section where all your financial transactions related to expenses are neatly organized. Next, at the top of the Expenses page, you'll see several tabs. You'll want to select the tab labeled Bills. This tab is specifically for managing your bills and will display a list of all the bills you've entered into QuickBooks Online. Take a moment to review the list. You'll notice it includes key details such as the amounts owed and the current statuses of each bill. Now, locate the specific bill you'd like to remove from your records. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar to find it quickly. Once you've found the bill, look to the right-hand side of the row where the bill details are displayed. You'll see a small caret-shaped icon next to the Schedule Payment button. Go ahead and click on that icon. When you click the caret icon, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Delete. Once you've chosen Delete, a confirmation message will pop up to ensure that you really want to remove the bill. Confirm the deletion by following the prompt. And that's it. The bill will now be permanently removed from your QuickBooks Online system. By following these steps, you can easily clean up your records and maintain accurate financial data for your business. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.